Hi and welcome to this video where we are going to be making delicious chocolate brownies.
The original recipe was created by the Hummingbird Bakery.
It's going to be very easy to follow along and very step by step to help you if you've never followed along this video before. So if you have never, I would recommend you watching this whole video through before you get started. So let's get into the video. First we need the ingredients.
You will need 3 eggs, 300 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate, and 130 grams of plain white flour. Then weigh out the ingredients, starting with the sugar. Then weigh out the flour into a different bowl. Then weigh the chocolate into a big bowl because the butter will be weighed into the same bowl straight after. We will be heating the bowl in a bain-marie, which means Maria's bath in French. To do this, pour water into a saucepan and balance the bowl on the saucepan with the hob on. While the chocolate warms, preheat the oven to 170 degrees C. Then mix the chocolate and the butter on the hob. You'll find the chocolate melts faster than the butter, but carry on mixing until it's all melted. Keep the heat on low and rely on the water vapour beneath the bowl to warm it up. This will make the bottom of the bowl wet, so when you're finished, place the bowl on the tea towel to keep the worktop dry. Then pour the ready weighed sugar into the dark chocolate and butter bowl. Then pour the flour in and mix well so it's all one brown batter. Then crack the 3 eggs in and mix well. Now grease the tin with the butter wrapping and line it with grease-proof paper, ready for the oven. Then pour the mixture carefully into the tin and flatten it out on the top. Scrape out the bowl to get as much as you can. Then put on oven gloves and put the tin full of brownie mixture in the oven. When it beeps, check on it. If it's crispy on the outside but wobbly in the middle, take it out and leave it to cool. Otherwise, check on it every 5 minutes until it is. When it's cooled, cut it up into smaller squares and let everyone take one. Whip some cream and give yourself a generous dollop to make the chocolate brownies even more delicious.
Now you know how to make chocolate brownies. I hope that you really enjoy them and this video has been helpful. I'm planning to do more videos in this style, so if there's something you'd like to know how to bake, let me know in the comments and I'll try and do a video on your request. Until then, bye!